Happy birthday, dear Carmen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wala ma. Happy birthday.
What's that?
No,
It's okay. Oh, I don't want to blow it.
ate may flash, may ano ako.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy 75th birthday.
Candy.
Ask who owns.
I don't know.
It's the same in one bag?
Yeah. I have to
Okay, look at the card. So you know who came from.
D. Thank you.
Daydream. Is that from you?
Does anybody need a bag?
The chocolate?
D.
Daydream. Okay.
This one. These two.
Yeah, nice. That's from Daydream.
Yeah. This one here.
Yeah.
Thanks, D.
Ang lakas ko yun nan eh.
Oh, like a shoulder bag. Oh,
bag.
that's cute. Hey, Carrie. Carrie. I'm going to show her.
You like that
And it's
color?
green.
Oh, yes.
And it's green.
Beautiful.
Money.
No, it's St. Patrick.
Look, I even got a card.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
I even got a playing card. Now I can play solitaire.
Yeah.
I got an umbrella. I got a
My
purse.
favorite.
Then she can go
And
shopping.
I got chocolate. Sweet chocolate. And then
The
Huh?
purse is nice.
eyebrow pencil.
No, yeah. Same.
Another 2 eyebrow pencils.
Can I see the purse? It's so cute.
It's so cute. It's got a
Can I
little.
look at it?
It's got a little handle on it.
It is so cute. That's really cute.
Look inside.
Ang takard dito unig.
I love it. Umbrella.
Yes, nice. From Violet.
Oh, let's see. Let me open everything.
You need that.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Hey, how do you know I play cards?
Oh, you have playing cards? Oh,
Oh, candy.
Chocolate.
and playing
Chocolate.
cards.
And then,
You're gonna play solitaire.
Let's go.
And a bag?
A bag.
Wow.
Look, you guys,
Nice.
look.
Nice. An umbrella. You're not gonna get wet anymore. You go shopping. You got your
Joni,
bag.
look what I got.
Nice.
Just from Violet.
Violet.
All of this candy and
Cards.